Okay, good people. We're now in day 5 of our daily Python test. So, today is really easy. We're going to be doing randomness. So let's get this started. What they ask us to do today is write a function named random number. Let's call it by the way. And then this is going to take in oh, it's not taking in anything today. Yes, we don't need to pass in nothing into this our string today. So all this our function does is between the number 1 and 100, it's going to generate a random integer between 1 and 100. So that's very easy. All we have to do is import a class in Python. The class already generates random numbers for us, so all we need to do is return that class. So let's get into it. First we have to import that we is a whole package, so we import random. Now that's where we get class for random integers, so now define our function. We're not passing anything today, so now we just return a random integer. Now how we access random integer, this is the syntax. We say random dot rand int, yes, then say between 1 and 100, so 100. This is just how it goes. The first number is your starting number, the last number is your ending number. That's just it. And then voila, we can test this out. Let's just, I don't know, random number, run code. Yeah, we're done. So thank you very much for watching. Keep coding, keep improving yourself. The world needs you.